Morning, guten Morgen. My name is Daniel Parsons, and I am an independent sales representative for the Aculife iDoc electric acupuncture device. And these are available worldwide. Right now, I'm using the device while we wait for our Swiss Air flight from Zurich, Switzerland to San Francisco, California. And so there are several different um, adapters that you can use this electric acupuncture device in your own home when you're traveling, wherever you want to use it. It's very important. And the first thing I tell you is you can use AAA batteries and then you don't need to worry about being plugged in. I am plugged into my laptop, which is you never want to have more than 5 volt because it could damage your device. And so um, right now I am stimulating my vagus nerve, which is these ear clips here. Okay. And so um, there's much detailed information in the user manual that you get with your device, the owner's manual. You register it for a 2-year warranty. And then you also have other adapters to do the um, electric stimulation in certain parts of your body. And I'll show you the reflexology chart here in a second. But here is a point. And so you just simply stick this adhesive, like if you're doing your palm of your hand or some area around your arms, you would just take the adhesive and stick it on your forearm, probably like right about here. And then you could just treat all of the areas. And I'll show you the reflexology chart. It's amazing that all of your acupoints for your organs are on the palms of your hand, but you can also benefit from stimulating up and down your fingers. And then here is that reflexology chart. And so this is very fascinating. The Chinese have developed acupuncture for thousands of years. And so here are your main interest areas. And so this is a good point where I bring in my FDA information for you. These devices are FDA Class 2 approved in the United States. And I believe that because we're available to sell these worldwide, I'm in the no, I'm not in the European Union because I'm in Switzerland, but in the European Union and Switzerland, I'm sure that there's no problems because they are approved for in-home therapy. So, and I'm not saying that using acupuncture is going to heal, treat, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Please consult with your medical providers for your wellness care and your health care. This is the last part of the treatment adapters that you have, another sticky pad, and then you could simply just take this clip and you could clip it onto your hand like this. Or if you want to treat your feet, you can do that also because it will clip onto your feet. It's wide enough to be able to do that. And you see the metal prong there. So the metal prong there works in the same way. Let me go against the Swiss Air backdrop there, that metal prong. So I want to go ahead and give you my contact information. Oh, before I forget, there is a little lanyard that you can put onto your device, and then that way it's easier for you to carry. And so it comes in a very sturdy box, and the shipping is very fast. I got mine in an incredible 6 days from, they ship out of Taiwan, and it arrived in 6 days. So that was very, very fast. So let me give you my contact information. My handle on Telegram, which is a free app, you can call me from anywhere in the world. The country code of my phone is +1 for United States. Then the area code is 360, and then put 383, and then 0265. And so Daniel Parsons is also my username on Telegram. So I'm very easy to find. I've been in the wellness business since 2005. So I'm entering almost 20 years now. And so contact me if you have any questions about this wonderful way to do many, many different stimulations to your body. Daniel signing off from Zurich. Bye for now.